In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create an online course website with WordPress, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional course platform where students can purchase your course, log in, and start learning immediately. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WordPress tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need is a WordPress website with WooCommerce and a learning management system plugin like Tutor LMS or Masterio installed. Once you're logged into your WordPress admin area, go to your dashboard and navigate to Products. This is where we'll create the product that will be linked to your course. Click on Add New Product. Here, you'll give your product the exact same name as your course. This is very important because it keeps everything organized and makes it easier to link the product to the course later. In the Product Data section, set the price for your course. You can choose a regular price and even a sale price if you'd like. Make sure the product type is set correctly, usually as a simple product, and check the virtual option since this is a digital course. Once you've entered the pricing and confirmed the settings, click Publish. Now that your product is ready, it's time to create the actual course. From your dashboard, go to Tutor LMS or Masterio if you're using that, and click on Courses. Then click Add New. You'll now be taken to the course creation screen. Start by entering your course title at the top. Below that, add a detailed course description. This is where you explain what students will learn, who the course is for, and what results they can expect. A strong description helps increase conversions, so take your time here. Next, scroll down to the Course Builder section. This is where you structure your course content. Click Add New Topic. For example, you might name it Module 1, Getting Started. Inside that topic, click Add Lesson. Enter the lesson title, and then scroll to the video source area. Here, you can paste your YouTube or Vimeo link if your video is hosted externally. This makes it easy to deliver video lessons without uploading large files directly to WordPress. Repeat this process for all your modules and lessons. Add as many topics and lessons as you need to fully structure your course. Once you're done building your curriculum, scroll down to the Monetization or Product Data section within the course settings. Set the course to Paid. Then from the Product drop-down menu, select the WooCommerce product you created earlier. This step connects your course to the product, so when someone purchases it, they automatically get access. After everything is connected properly, click Publish in the top right corner. Your course is now live and ready for students to enroll. If you want to make changes later, simply go back to Tutor LMS, open your course, and use the Course Builder to edit topics, lessons, or directions. You can update videos, add quizzes, or reorganize modules at any time. And that's it. You've successfully created an online course website with WordPress. You now have a system where students can purchase through WooCommerce and access structured lessons through your LMS plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.